Sí, pues soy Victoria Rodríguez, la mamá de
My name is
Oscar.
Victoria Rodriguez. I am the mother of Oscar Perez. He is my son, and he was a victim of abuse as he was a child. His father abused him, and he just had a lot of resentment, and he suffered. He had autism. He tried to take his own life, and I didn't know how to help him. I was so frustrated. I felt like I was walled in, and I just felt so much darkness around me until the hospital contacted the Harris Center.
I've been privileged to work with Oscar and his family and also see the transition that he has made. Initially, when I started working with Oscar, he was having a hard time at home and at school. He had a poor relationship with his family and also with his pets. He was being bullied at school and was also verbally and physically aggressive. Oscar, unfortunately, was hospitalized due to reporting that he was suicidal and homicidal.
I was trying to knock on different doors just to help my son and to help with his thoughts of suicide, the thoughts of harming animals or harming others. He was also bullied, and there were so many things that he went through. So from there, God put the Harris Center in our path, and the Harris Center has helped us so much.
We were able to reduce the admissions that he was the hospital admissions at the hospital and also make improvements in school. Oscar was able to benefit from all the various resources that we provided to him and his family, from food resources, clothing resources. We were able to help and monitor Oscar's medication adherence, make sure that we scheduled and stayed on top of with his appointments, and also make sure that the family continues to have all the basic foundations grounded when it comes down to food and other financial resources.
And I've seen just so much progress. He hasn't gone to a hospital since February. He has taken his medication, whereas before he didn't want to take his medication, and I have seen a lot of improvement. He has changed so much.
Oscar eventually graduated high school, and he was able to get his diploma. He's now working in a part-time job, and also due to the progress that Oscar has made, I no longer have to provide weekly services. I now provide monthly services.
And I am just so happy for our efforts, and also so thankful to the Harris Center, because the Harris Center has helped us so much. Once they called, the Harris Center told me how they would be able to help me and what services my son could qualify for. And once I got that call, and after our conversation with the Harris Center, I felt so much better. I felt so much at peace, because that is exactly what I was looking for. Somebody who would guide me, somebody who would tell me where to go. So I felt so much peace when I had the conversation with the Harris Center. This program has really helped me and my son.